Okay, folks, we have soaked bamboo seeds. We have bamboo seeds that need to be soaked, and we're going to go for it. First, I'm going to need an extra cup. I'm going to pour this water out. Right. Somehow I managed not to get any floaters whatsoever, so that's encouraging because usually floaters are dead. All right, I'm going to take these guys and just pat them off, put them to the side for a second, and I'm going to get the other seeds in here to soak. I'm going to take salt. We're going to do this for 15 minutes for these guys. Spoonful of salt. I'm not going to waste this water. I will. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. We'll call that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 1 part salt, 9 parts water. And we'll give that a good stir. And see if it's dissolved enough. Yeah, that looks good. So the other seeds are right there. Let's see if I can get a better view of what exactly I'm doing to them. Of course I can't, because this webcam doesn't like me. All right. So seeds into water. This is for their salt time. And let me give that a little bit of a swirl. I guess the idea of the salt water is that it somehow disinfects them a bit. I see one floating up now. So we'll see how that does after 15 minutes. But first, I have seeds and dirt and cups. So I'm going to take this cup. This here is the dirt that I, let's sit overnight. Oh, it's beautiful, nice and moist, but not wet. I'm going to take, I'm thinking I'm only going to fill up these cups about 1/3. Maybe it's not as wet as I thought. I will give them a misting as I go here. So let's get a couple of them. Because I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me plant all 70 of them. That'll be enough. There's a couple just for the example. I'm going to use the tweezers to get these seeds exactly how I want them inside their cups. I'm going to basically pick them up by their little pointy nose part. And of course I dropped it right away. Come here. And I'm going to gently push it in just so the little hair of the seed is above ground and the rest of it is not. So that is what we're going to be doing to the rest of them. Then we will take sandwich bag, rubber band, and that will be that. I'm going to do all 7 of these right now. In 15 minutes, when the soak is done on the seeds we just put in water, salt water, I will pour off that salt water, gently rinse the seeds with, I'm using just regular bottled water. You don't want to use chlorinated water. Chlorine will kill your seeds. Anyway, I will then put those seeds into an overnight soak, and tomorrow I will also plant them. We will follow the progress as we go. We got 70 Fargesias, 60 Fungosas, and we're going to see how they sprout. I'm probably going to end up separate, 1 seed per cup. I'm not going to bother with what I thought I'd do 2 in a cup of 1 of each and see what happens. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep them separate. I think I will just take a marker and put FR on this for Fargesia robusta and B on the other one for Bordina, so that I know which is which. And we'll just let that go and see what grows, and hopefully I'll have plants to show you in the next video, or if my sticks from the stem propagation project start doing more than just having little teeny roots, I'll show that. Other than that, the backyard project, I've got most of the dirt for the garden now spread out. It's still a little humped, and I'm going to need to rake that or get someone to rake it for me because my back really sucks. And um, I've been getting a lot of help. But anyway, um, other than that, not going to be doing any other seeds until probably after fall. I'm going to try rose seeds just for the heck of it. And I'm going to have um, in the springtime probably go for the Rosa Sharon bush seeds for the other parts of the garden, so I start making it look nice back there. Um, Thank you for listening. I hope this was fun and enjoyable. Watching me try and think through the cobwebs in my brain. Um, anyway, thank you again. Hit the like, subscribe, notification things, and see, I guess it's stuck in my head. Goodbye. Where's my mouse?